What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be testing the super steady stabilization feature of your Samsung S10 S10 Plus series phones when it is turned off and when it is turned on. So I'll be doing a side-by-side comparison of the super steady feature. So let's jump right into it. So what's super steady stabilization? Super steady stabilization is actually only in your video mode, and it's only for the rear camera, it's not for your front camera. And as you can see on top, it's already enabled for me because I actually enabled it. There's a hand sign with some vibration. That means the super steady is actually enabled, and this is actually on top of the standard video stabilization that's in your Samsung phone. If you click on the setting button, you can see there's a video stabilization right there, which is actually already enabled for me, and the super steady is actually a level on top of it. So how does super steady actually work? For that, let me actually turn it off. And you can see I'm into wide mode of the camera. I'm into 1x zoom. If I turn on the super stabilization, you can see it actually crops out certain frame, and when I turn it off, it zooms in a little. The super steady mode is actually in between the 1x and the 0.5x of the ultra wide mode, and as you can see, if I turn it on now, you can see it's somewhere between 0.5x and 1x of the camera zoom. So it actually crops out some frame of the video to make the video super steady. And there's actually one more thing to note about super steady. When you enable that, you can see you are not able to use any filters. You are not able to change the aspect ratio of the video and the flash. So that's the only disadvantage of using super steady, because these options are grayed out and it won't be available in this chart. But if you turn it off, these options come back to life again. So I'm actually ready to head out and do a video test on super steady mode when it's on and when it is off. Alright, it's a beautiful day. We just started walking on the road, and super steady is actually off right now. Let's try to run. So I'm actually running on the street with super steady off. Okay, I flipped the camera and super steady is still off, and running back to my previous location. It's a beautiful day. It's gonna be hot later this week. Alright, the super steady is now on, and we're now walking back to the same place. Now we're running with super steady on. Okay, with super steady on, running back to my previous location. And now we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be doing more stabilization testing on my Samsung phone between the standard stabilization, between super steady, and also with GoPro. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.